1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. So the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna prep on 5, curve 6, up on 7. Gonna go over the head on 1. Guys, hook on 2. We're gonna hammerlock and turn 3. Catch with the right hand back turn. 5, 6, 7. Gonna give her a Copa. 1. Bring her forward on 2. Go over the head on 3. Guys, go forward on 5. We're gonna go forward and flick the hand up on 6. Turn on 7. Off the slide. So now with the left hand, we're gonna catch that arm and bring her forward. 1. Bring her forward on 2. Turn her over the head on 3. We're going to cast the shoulder and do a salsa step. 5, misdirection on 6, 7. Now I want to keep pushing on this right hand, on her right shoulder, to keep turning on 1. 1, 2, and then step forward. Now on 3, I'm going to cast the hand and step forward. 3. I'm going to step off the slot. 5. Start pulling on 6, 6. Get off the slot again. 7. Cross body. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7, start with the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, cross body lead. 1, 2, 3, prep. 5, 6, 7. You're going to do a double. 1, 2, 3, back 5, 6, 7. You're going to Copa. 1, 2, turn 3, 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to do an inside turn. Forward on 1, 2, 3, 5, cross in front on 6, back on 7. Now start turning to your right shoulder right away on 1, 2, back on 3. Now start turning to the left as you go forward on 5, 6, 7. Cross body lead. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
Hi guys, it's Angie from Casa Salsa. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out our other free videos with tips and tricks for the dance floor. Make sure you subscribe to the link below so you don't miss any of our new upcoming content. And if you look in the description, you'll find a link to our website to get access to exclusive content. And if you want to take a live class with us, you can do so as well. Link on the description. See you next time.